Genesis Tramaine. To God be all glory. Happy Sunday. Wow. This is my debut at Art Basel 2018. I'm represented by the Richard Beavers Gallery. And this year, we were blessed to show 11 works and 11 works sold. To God be all glory. The journey begins with a portrait of my grandmother, and it closes with the portrait of Abel. My life's journey sort of reflects Abel's story a lot. You know, I was a good kid. I got great grades. You know, I didn't make trouble for people, but I was bullied. I mean, bullied. And through that sort of, those trial and tribulent years, if you will, I learned to record my mistakes. So my pieces encompass layers and layers of effort and evidence of God's grace. That's what I would say. Because God's grace isn't always pretty, so we have to include those as well. And also, you'll notice layers of eyes throughout my work, and it's to represent the shoulders of those that we stand on. You may not be able to see the angels behind me, but they're occupying the booth right now, all around. It's pretty. It's fantabulous, actually. And they tell me things on my right ear that my left ear tends to understand. And then when I like kind of lose it, I wake up and it's done. You know, and the mustard seed has grown, or I have birthed a new piece. To God be all glory. So these are extensions of devotional prayers. You will never find a repeat of my work because you can't repeat a prayer, right? So these are extremely unique works. And it's a larger series, but I'm really excited for what we brought here today. Thank you again.
Thank